Friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the best curbside deals over at Walgreens for the week of May the 14th right till the 20th, and lots of free stuff. So don't we all love that? So just to explain to the new shoppers how this works is you're ordering this stuff through your cell phone, desktop, computer, tablet, and then having it for pickup at the store. It is called a curbside pickup, and you have to be at $10 after coupons. That is the one stipulation that they changed around over at Walgreens. If you're more of a tactile shopper and you want to go in store and do the deals, I made a video yesterday with some of my favorite deals and a $40 haul using a 10 back when you spend 40 along with a 10 back when you spend 25, which is digital. So I will link this video also at the very end if that's more of your speed to go in the store and look around. That will be there for you guys. And sharing a very cute cat photo of the day, little Miss Daisy would love if you guys could possibly give this video a big thumbs up. It would mean the world to her. The first couple deals that we're going to talk about all involve this booster, which is the 10 back when you spend 25. It is of a one-time use, so definitely pick which one you want to use it, which deal you want to use it with. But it's really fabulous, this booster. I wish it would be there every weekend. We're going to be grabbing one of the men's Gillette razors for $12 and one of the ladies for $11. There are $3 coupons that are attaching to both, which is really fantastic. So hopefully you have them on your account. And we're also going to grab one of these Pantene Pro V. It's a 4-count hair treatment. So if you're rocking some really dry hair like yours truly, it's a really great item to have in your stockpile or your bathroom. I'm certainly going to enjoy using those. You're going to load the following digital coupons that include the $3 for the ladies' Venus razor, and there's also a $3 for the men's. Unfortunately, one of my store cards, I don't know where they went. I must have used them or something. I don't even know where they went. They vanished. And then for the Pantene, we're going to load this $5 gorgeous coupon. Hey friends, so the overall subtotal for this is $29, free curbside pickup. We have the $5 Pantene coming off, and then the other two $3 digital should come off as well, so another $6, so $11 off. Unfortunately, having a bit of trouble here where I don't know where my coupons went. So anyhow, if you have all the 3 coupons that I showed you in the slides previous, you should pay $19.74 with your debit card as you're using a spend booster with that, which is to spend 25, get back 10. And you're also going to get back $20 of Walgreens cash because the Gillette is to buy 2, get $10 back in Walgreens cash along with that booster. So it basically makes your basket completely for free, which is really fantastic. The next deal that we're going to look at, deal number 2, we're going to need our best friend loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 25. So please make sure you have that one loaded. We're going to grab the following, 2 of the Olay body washes for $14 on the nose, 1 of the Pantene Pro V Miracle Shots for $6, and then 2 of the Toms of Maine deodorant for $9.98. We're going to load the following digitals that include this 4 off a 2 for the Olay body wash. If you wish to get Old Spice, you can do that as well, along with this $5 for the Pantene. And the Toms of Maine, I had dollar digitals. Apologies, guys, I didn't get a screenshot of it, but dollar digitals for the Toms of Maine. So looking at the overall basket is $29.98. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. We have $11 of coupons coming off that include the Toms of Maine as well. So you're paying $20.78 with your debit card and then getting back $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, 4 for Olay, and then 6 for the Toms of Maine. So this essentially makes it an even Steven freebie. I think it's really great, especially if you like Olay body wash and the Toms of Maine, which is a really superb deodorant, my absolute favorite. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, again, we're still using the booster, and the last couple deals we're just going to use Walgreens cash, but there's a couple coming. So we need our little friend loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 25. And one of my accounts just got it this morning as well. So we're going to include 2 of these Toms of Maine lavender deodorants for $9.98. The promotion for this is month long, which is $4.99. And when you buy one, you get back $3 in Walgreens cash. We're also going to grab one of the men's for $4.99, 2 different types of men's because I think my store had just a couple, and then one of those Pantene Pro V's for $6. So as you can see, the pretty little chorus line of digital coupons coming off, $5 for Pantene and $1 for both of the Toms of Maine. Those are old loadable coupons to the Toms of Maine. One of my store cards, I've already used them. So I can't show you the actual coupon, but just to note that if you didn't use them earlier in the month, you could use them like now. Okay, so looking at this overall basket, it's $25.96. Curbside pickup, of course, is free. We have a bit of tax and $7 melting off. So with your debit card, as you have that booster of spend 25, get back 10, you're going to pay $20.52 with your debit card and then get back $22 in bonus cash. A whole mess of it for the Toms of Maine, and then your booster of spend 25, get back 10. So this is a really fantastic little deal. Okay, the final deal that we have with the booster, and then we're going to look at other deals. So make sure that you have this loaded and definitely pick wisely which deal you wish to pursue with this booster. So for this one, we're going to grab 2 of the Fancy Dancy Nexus. It's like a hairspray, super expensive. The promotion on this is when you spend $25, you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So we are at $31.98, and we have surpassed it. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is an 8 off a 2, so make sure that you have it loaded. Okay, so looking at the overall basket, we have $31.98 for the 2 hairsprays. Curbside pickup is free. Tax, $8 digital coming off. With your debit card, pay $25.90, and then you're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the booster, and then 10 for the promotion of spend 25, get back 10 on Nexus this week. We're not going to look at the tax, guys. That's basically like $1.99 for those hairsprays that are really expensive. So what a great deal. Okay, now the deals that we're going to look at are just use Walgreens cash. Let's get to 10 and rock and roll. The first one is with the Nature's Bounty vitamins. They are on a buy one, get one free promotion. So we're going to add 6 at $7.49 to a basket, and they are the 80 count hair nail, that one. I mean, who doesn't love that? We have a bunch of these $3.50 digital coupons. I had 2 of them on my store card, and I also had a $3 coupon. So that was like $10 altogether in digital coupons. And remember, you have to buy them in sets of 2 for the BOGO free promotion. Okay, so looking at this overall total, it is $22.47. Curbside pickup is free. There is no tax for vitamins, $10 melting off. So the new total is $12.47. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.47 and have vitamin supplements till the end of the year for hair, skin, and nails. Okay, the next basket that we have, I think this might be the last one, guys. Yeah, this is the last one. We're going to grab one of those Pantene Pro V's for $6 and then 2 of the Kleenex. Alternatively, if you wish to get the Viva or the Cottonelle, it's just kind of low on tissues, so I thought this would be a smart one to grab. So this surpasses that $10 price point, even using that $5 digital for the Pantene. So for the Pantene, you're going to load this guy. And if you don't like these hair treatments, I think there's also a mousse and hairspray with that gold line. So definitely look in the app and see what they have. So this $5 will melt off. And then looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $15.98. Curbside pickup is free. Tax, $5 digital coming off, $11.94. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.94 and call this a super duper deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.